Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So, if your screen is flickering, what you guys want to do first is adjust the brightness in the settings. So we're going to open up the settings app, and here we're going to scroll a bit down until we see display. Here in the display, we got the brightness and we got the adaptive brightness. So first, make sure that you disable adaptive brightness because as you guys can see, it increases so much that you cannot see anything. So make sure that you adjust the brightness. The setting that I do have right now, I think it's the best for me, but you need to find the setting for yourself. After that, after disabling the adaptive brightness and adjusting the brightness manually, what we're going to do is we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So we're going to be downloading the most trustworthy app out there. We're going to go over and screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. And we're going to download the first app which pops up, which is the made by Ruhex. It has a black and white picture. We're going to click install and it's only 1.5 megabytes. So it should install instantly. We can open it now. And of course, we'll need to grant the permissions. So the first one, to modify the system settings, of course, to change the brightness. The next one, in the accessibility settings, to update the overlay. So the brightness whenever we rotate our screen or enable a keyboard. So we can click on use screen dimmer, now allow, and we're going to leave it. The next one, to give us the permissions to show the brightness bar right here, and we're gonna enable it. As you guys can see, let me quickly lower the brightness. Here we got the bar, we can tap on it to change the brightness for an example. Of course, in the brightness settings, we got the extra dim, we got the advanced settings, which is the minimum physical brightness, brightness change delay, and brightness change duration. So here we can adjust it to make it brighter or dimmer, just like that. Now, of course, the minimum physical brightness. So let me quickly show you. So 0 to 94% will be controlled by the app, and 95 to 100 will be controlled by the system. So here we can set it up like this, but then this basically you guys won't see anything. We got the change delay. We can change it to 1 second, and change duration, let's go over and change it to 200 milliseconds. As you guys can see, the changes are instant and it's totally up to you. You can also reset it right here. Let me quickly go over, click advanced and click reset. Now they are back to the settings that we had before. So what are we going to do as a last resort here is we're going to update our software. So open up the settings here, scroll down until you see about tablet all the way at the bottom. Tap on the system update, and as you guys can see, it is checking for updates automatically. So I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.